Hello to you again. White to checkmate in 4 moves. This is yet another problem from the early 17th century of Greco's collection, translated into English by William Lewis in 1819. And the first thing that you'll notice is that White's king is not on the board because, as Lewis puts it, that Greco was of the opinion that the king was in no way necessary to secure the checkmate here. And he's quite right. I have indeed put a few problems on YouTube where I entitle them nullus rex, meaning no king or without the king. So what I propose to do is to leave the king where it is, and at the end of this YouTube video I shall put the king back on the board somewhere just to bring back the order of things and the rules of chess. We don't want to be accused of doing anything illegal, do we? So what is the key move here? And just to note, and I've already mentioned this, there is more than one key move here. My solution was different to Greco's. They both work, and one is a mirror image of the other, or they're mirror images of each other, if you like. So how did the Greco one go? Can you see it? White to checkmate in 4 moves. Well, the Greco one went knight f7 check, and he's forcing the king to go here. So what did he do then? He played here, and if you look at that, the king only has that move. So what does he do then? He plays here. And if you look at that, black has one move left to there. So how do we finish him? We just play here, and if you notice, the knights are doing a superb job covering f7 and f8, and that is checkmate. So let's look at my solution. How did mine go? Well, it went exactly the reverse. I went to here, there. Can you see what's coming? Yeah, you swing the knight over this way to cover d8, and also so that your knight on d7 is protected. He's forced to go there, so what do we do then? Right, well what we do then is we play here. And if you look at that position, the two knights are covering this time d7 and d8. He only has one move, doesn't he? He has to go here. This time we play the rook on the d line across, and that is checkmate, and that is really nice. We'll plonk the king back there. If you notice, we can call this a rex emotus as well. Unmoved king. And it's also a rex sols because black's king is on its own. So it's a nullus rex, a rex emotus, and a rex sols. So you have 3 for the price of 1 there. And that is very interesting, going back all those years that Greco should employ that technique of not having the king on the board, but thank goodness he did, because this is a great problem. The fact that there are 2 key moves notwithstanding, we're not going to censor him for that. What we're going to do is we're going to say that there's one more coming up, so watch out for that one in due course, and goodbye for now.